Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I want to share with you a video on how I achieve this eyebrow looks. I want to show you guys how I drew my eyebrows and how I applied my eyes, my eyeshadow and all the eye area. Hope you enjoy watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, I always start with my spoolie just to comb the eyebrows into shape. Then next I will start with the Davis number 1 eyebrow pencil. I usually go with a thick eyebrow look because my eyebrows hair is too thick, so I have to cover all the hair. So after drawing the eyebrows with the black eyebrow pencil, I always shade in with the brown eyebrow pencil, and I'm gonna use the Davis number 3 eyebrow pencil. That's what I normally use. So to shape on my eyebrows, I normally go in with my concealer in the shade Cool Tone. This is just to highlight my eyebrows. So now I'm done with the eyebrows, and next we are going to the eyelid. I want to put an eyeshadow on my eyelids, so we'll still continue with our concealer. For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette.
So lastly, I'll go in with the Huda Cosmetics eyeliner, then put some glitters, then I'm ready to continue with my full face makeup.
Thank you so much for watching, guys, and let's meet on my next video. Bye, guys.